Jogging is a form of sustained running or trotting with steady and slow pace. It is much slower than running but is faster than walking. The primary purpose of jogging is to maintain your tempo without causing much strain to the body. This is less taxing on the body, consumes much lesser energy, and helps to sustain for a longer time. Jogging is best suited for people who do not engage in rigorous fitness regimes. People widely use it to warm up and cool down the body during exercise routines or runs. People who prepare for runs and marathons to take up jogging to build stamina and prep the body. Here are 10 health benefits of jogging. 1. Jogging helps in weight loss. A half-hour jog quickly burns around 300 calories. Jogging boosts the metabolism and is more effective than walking. A healthy diet along with regular jogging will melt those extra inches that you have always wanted to shed. Jogging not only burns fat but also helps you maintain your weight. 2. Improves bone strength. The advantage of jogging is that it maintains bone health. When you begin jogging, the bones experience some amount of stress and load. Jogging prepares the bones to bear this additional stress which it starts to endure regularly. Jogging strengthens the bones and prevents bone trauma and injuries. It improves bone thickness and wards off problems like osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It also makes the bones of the hip and the spine stronger. 3. Develops muscles. Jogging helps your body become more toned. It works on the large muscles and develops them. It is great for the hamstrings, calf, gluteal muscles, etc. 4. Keeps the mind healthy. Jogging plays a significant role in improving the mental health of the person. When you jog, your body releases hormones called endorphins, that help lift your spirit and make you feel positive about yourself. And that is why you feel calm and rejuvenated after jogging. 5. Good for the heart. Jogging is an excellent cardiovascular workout that boosts the health of your heart. It helps to keep heart problems and diseases at bay. Jogging ensures that blood is pumped faster to the heart and maintains blood pressure. Cholesterol and blood glucose levels are also under control. 6. Boosts the respiratory system. Like any other aerobic workout, jogging enhances lung capacity and strengthens the muscles of the respiratory system. This ensures that the lungs take in more oxygen and efficiently remove carbon dioxide. Jogging improves the endurance of the respiratory muscles. 7. Prevents infections and communicable diseases. Jogging is known to stimulate the production of lymphocytes and macrophages that combat infection in the body. It helps to fight viral infections like flu and common cold and also some bacterial infections. 8. Curbs mental stress. Jogging helps to soothe and calm the mind. It reduces stress and tension and also clears the mind of unnecessary thoughts. Jogging has a positive impact on people and changes their attitudes and outlook for the better. 9. Jogging has anti-aging benefits. Jogging benefits for skin are such that you start looking more fresh and youthful. This is because jogging ensures that the skin receives more oxygen and blood. 10. Builds the immune system. Jogging promotes not just physical but also mental well-being. Jogging makes you stronger and fights depression and stress. It removes fatigue, boosts the production of white blood cells in the body, and builds up immunity. Here are some tips to keep in mind while jogging. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. You must increase your fluid intake and drink lots of water. Never eat immediately before or after the run. Carry your cell phone with you. Inform a family member or friend before you go jogging. Also, tell them where you intend to go and by when you would return. Do not play very loud music on your headphones or earphones. Be alert. Do not venture into deserted roads and areas for jogging. Raise an alarm or call for medical help if you hurt yourself while jogging. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more health benefit information. Thank you.